The top-down and bottom-up display variants describe the viewing direction for the family tree of the batch. You can also display the batch where used list as a graphic. To create certificates, you define certificate profiles, which are based on standard certificates and forms, such as the following. Certificate of analysis. Test reports, for example, in accordance with EN 10204:2005. Acceptance inspection certificate. The certificates for the delivery items are created when goods are shipped. The certificate creation process can be automated. You can send the certificate to the certificate recipient by email or PDF attachment. A print output is also possible. In addition, you can create certificates manually for a batch, for a material or for an inspection lot. The system retrieves the data defined in the certificate profile for the individual characteristics and copies it to the certificate. You can also include inspection results for materials in the production chain on the certificate. You use the certificate profile to control how a skipped characteristic is to be printed on the certificate. The recipient addresses are taken from the customer master data. You can archive the certificates in an archive using SAP archive link. You define the relevant materials in a list in the certificate profile. When the certificate is created, the system searches for characteristic data in the records common to both these materials and the batches that are actually used. There are two lists. One list contains characteristic data from inspections, the other contains characteristic data from batch classification. You can specify additional criteria for the selection of the inspection lot or partial lot for each material in the data origin for characteristics from inspections list. The criteria from the certificate profile header are not used in this case, they only refer to the finished product relevant for the certificate. You can monitor the receipt of a quality certificate, with and without inspection lot processing, independently of the time of goods receipt. You can store the quality certificate in the optical archive. In the first step, the incoming certificate is filed in the optical archive as a document type, that is QMICERT PDF, for example. The system sends this information to the inbox of the employee responsible, using SAP Business Workflow and the document type. The document can then be checked and stored as a quality certificate in the optical archive, or assigned to a purchase order. A quality certificate verifies the quality of goods. The certified chemical or physical properties of goods can be recorded as inspection results or documented as batch characteristics. You can create general certificates, such as for a material, or customer-specific certificates whose content and layout are modified to meet customer requirements.